Hello friends, I hope all of you are doing great. Today I'll be sharing with you how I did this wave pour and the background painting. I posted it in a group and I was overwhelmed with the response. Thank you to each one of you who requested the video and liked this artwork. I understand that this is going to be a little longer video, but I wanted to show you all the steps, how I kept tweaking and modifying till I was personally satisfied with this art. And it is available on sale at my Facebook page. Please consider supporting and subscribing to my channel. I would really appreciate your support and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you so much and I hope you enjoy watching this video. Here are the colors that I'm going to use. The first one is, this is the leftover. I guess this is Liquitex Bright Blue, and most of the colors are Deco Art. The next one is the Deco Art, that is a Ultra Blue Deep. And then the Deco Art Dazzling Metallic Peacock Pearl, and Deco Art Extreme Sheen Sapphire, Deco Art Extreme Sheen Emerald. Then I have Acrylic Loft Flow Acrylics White and Yellow. So I mixed a little bit of white into this yellow to make it a lighter version, a lighter shade of yellow, and I covered the whole canvas with it and the edges as well. Though this step was not necessary, but I knew that I wanted a sunset scene in the background once my wave pour is dry, so I opted to go with the yellow background and started laying the shades of blue and green colors in this wave pattern. And each of these colors have a drop of silicone in it, except the background yellow paint and also my white paint. So they don't have any silicone. The other colors do have silicone in it. And the Deco Art paints, they were mixed with 1 part paint to 1 part Floetrol and half part water. And the other colors, they are the Artist Loft colors, they are mixed with 1 part paint to 2 parts Floetrol and 1 part water. And I just took a damp paper towel and started swiping. The paper towel did not have any color on it. It was just a damp paper towel and swiped on it, and I got those beautiful cells and lacing. After that, I gave some highlights with the white color, started blowing the white color with a straw, and this white color didn't have any silicone in it. Along the way, I did mess up with the composition few times, but then I fixed it up. When I was not happy with the composition, I scraped that paint off, laid down some base colors and tried to give it a shape that I was happy with. I could have really left it like this, but I wanted to get it close to the image that I had in mind. So I was working towards that image. After I was happy with the composition, I let this pour dry for 2 weeks before I did the background with acrylic paints. I kept modifying and tweaking and came up with something that I was happy with. After this was dry, I did the acrylic painting in the background, and after that background painting was done, around the edges of this wave, I did some pouring too. It was just with water and paint and no floatroll in that. It was just to give a cohesive look with the background and the acrylic pour. I hope you enjoy this video, and I will put the music on and you can watch all those steps while enjoying the music. Do leave me any comments, feedbacks, and I'll be happy to hear your feedback. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and if you like the contents of the channel, please do support and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notifications for the upcoming videos. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.